keep my phone charged, I actually came across a couple new things. First are two really solid power banks from the folks over at IWalk. The two I have here are their standard portable power bank with wireless charging, and their premier premium luxury battery pack, the Trio 2. Their standard portable power bank is a 10,000 milliamp capacity fast charging battery pack that has quick charge 2.0 and USB-C power delivery. So basically every current iPhone and Android device is going to be charging at the fastest speeds possible. With that 10,000 milliamp capacity, you can expect to get 3 or 4 charges out of it when you're connecting up a smartphone, and on the top surface of this power bank is a wireless Qi charger as well. So if you don't want to bring any cables with you, just plop your phone right on top of it and you're good to go. It's a great looking power bank with a soft touch rubbery feel. It's very grippy, very high quality, and comes in at a great price too, just $30. IWalk's other power bank is also a really solid option, and this packs a couple little hidden tricks to make your travels a bit easier. It too is a 10,000 milliamp capacity battery with a little screen up front to let you know how much is left. And once again, you've got standard USB ports and USB-C power delivery all around it. So there's plenty of options to charge up just about every device at the fastest speeds possible. But to make your life even easier, IWalk actually attached both a USB-C and Lightning cable directly to the power bank, so you don't have to take any cables with you when you travel if you don't want to. These basically just stick right into the side of the charger, and you wouldn't even know that they're there if you didn't know where to look. But like I said, you aren't stuck with using just these attached cables. You can use the ports and bring along any cables you'd like instead.